Hi friends, this is Venkat Krishna from Chris Software Solutions. In the actions class, in the previous videos, we have seen how to perform the drag and drop operation or how to navigate to the menus by using mouse actions. Similarly, one more action I want to cover in this video. So right click, sometimes you believe or not, some applications we may need to perform right click also. How we can perform the right click on any control? That we are going to learn in this video. So how to perform let me show you some sample application in the internet application only. Let me close this. Let me launch the application. Here you can able to see here context menu. Select that. This is the context menu. When you right click on here, see what is happening. You selected a context menu. You selected a context menu. This pop-up is coming, this alert is coming, okay, and then it is showing you the right click just to identify us whether whenever you right click on it, it is showing that alert. For normal click it is not showing, only for right click it is showing this alert. You selected a context menu and you need to click on, we can click on OK, then the right click is opening. Can we automate this? Yes, we can automate the context menu. It means right click also on the element. They have given direct method for us that we are going to learn now. Okay, let me open the Eclipse. I'm going to create a new class here. Okay, I'm giving context menu. Context menu example. Select public static void main. Okay, so in the drag and drop example, I'm copying these statements. Okay, so first printing, and we are setting the Chrome driver path here, and this is the URL. Now we need to change the URL to this URL, context menu URL. Okay, I changed it to context menu. Perfect. Now what we need to do? We need to right click on element. How we can right click on element? First you need to locate this, right? How we can locate? How we can locate here? See, when you right click on this element, no inspect is opening. It is opening this pop-up. Now it is opening. Okay. So for example, some applications the inspect right click will not work. Then what you need to do? Go here. Go to the where more tools and developer tools option will be there. Go here, it will open, and can you able to see here a arrow? Click on this arrow, place on which element you want to identify. Like this way also you can identify the elements. Okay, so when right click doesn't work for you, then this is the case. Go to the this menu, more tools, developer tools, you can go, and this arrow, just you need to click on which element you want to identify. Like this way also you can identify the element. See here, what is there for this element? ID is there. Can we write a XPath for this? Tag name is div tag name, and @ID equal to, okay, so our element is locating successfully with the XPath. Okay, web element 1 equal to driver dot find element by dot xpath. Okay, this is my element. I want to perform on this element right click operation. Okay, import it. So I want to perform what? Right click operation on this element. First, what we need to do? We need to create a actions class object, and as an argument you need to provide your driver. Import actions class if it is not imported. A dot, which element you want to? First you need to move to that element. Okay, I have moved. I am pausing here 3 seconds. And then what we need to do? We need to perform the context menu. We need to perform the what? We need to context click. We need to perform the context click dot build dot perform. That's it. There is a direct method for us. Okay, here why a is added. Okay, that's fine. So here in this case you can observe carefully. First we are moving to this particular element. Once we move to this element, we are waiting for 3 seconds, and then we are performing the context click. It means it is a right click operation, and then build dot perform. See, if we assume, okay, after perform this operation, what is happening? When we right click on it, alert is displaying. Okay, I want to display this alert text. How we can do that? Just I am waiting here to overcome the runtime issues. But in real time and all, we will not use any thread.sleep. We will use the WebDriver waits, or let me use the WebDriver wait here, so that you once again you will understand how WebDriver waits we can use. WebDriver wait equal to new WebDriver wait of new WebDriver wait of, so driver comma timeout. So just I am giving 20 seconds here. So WebDriver wait is used for explicitly you want to wait for any particular element, then you can use the WebDriver wait. Or else you want to apply common time for each and every element, then you can anyway we are using implicitly wait. It will wait for each and every element in your script. It will wait commonly for each and every element in your script, but explicitly you want to wait some more time for any particular element, then you can use the WebDriver wait. Let me import it. Fine. I want to wait here for until my alert is displayed. You can see the scenario here. What is happening? When I right click on it, alert is displaying or not? So I want to wait here until my alert is displayed. So how we can do that? Wait dot until. Please remember this syntax. It is very important interview question also. Expected conditions dot. Okay, alert is present. Okay, alert is present method is there. We can use that. Fine, that's it. It will wait until 20 seconds. But in the middle also, if this alert is present, it is not going to wait rest of the time. For example, at 5th second alert is present, it is not going to wait remaining 15 seconds. It will continue. Okay. So I want to display the alert text. How we can get the alert text? How we can get the alert text? So very simple. Driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. That's it. So just I am trying to print here. Alert text is driver dot switch to dot alert dot get text. So we are going to get the alert text. Okay, if this alert is displaying, it means that you successfully right clicked on that particular element. That is this. That how we can confirm that if alert is present, it means that you successfully right clicked on so and so element. Okay, so fine. So we are right clicking on here, the menu is open, alert is opening here. We are trying to read this particular text. Let me try to execute this and we will see. If we will learn step by step, Selenium is very easy. Easily we can learn the Selenium without any issues. So, but you need to have some patience to learn each and everything. See, now it is going to right click on it. See, successfully right clicked on it, alert is present successfully. And see here, alert text also printed successfully. Like this, how you can work with the context menu. It means right click operation on any particular element. Okay, so what are all the different things we learned in this video? So implicitly wait, maximize, page load timeout, how to create a web element, and how to create an object to actions class. By using that object, how we can perform different actions here, and WebDriver wait we learned here for the alert present, and then alert text, how to get the alert text we learned here. Okay, So that's all for this video. If you like this video, please like my videos and subscribe and refer to your friends, and whoever really need to or want to learn Selenium, please refer my videos to them and ask them to go through it. If at all any questions will be there, please put it into chat box. I will try to help you. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon over there, so that my videos automatically comes to you whenever I upload it. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for your time.